Every October 3/1, a global carnival quietly unfolds. Wizard, ghosts, superheroes, and elves. On this night, unleash endless imagination and joy. Haley Party, a professional Halloween costume customization factory. Make your Halloween not only lively, but also high quality and creative.
Haley Party, your professional Halloween costume customization factory. A rich adult series from sexy witches to quirky ghosts, catering to different market needs. Kids are the brightest stars of Halloween night. Our children's series, made of environmentally friendly and non-toxic materials. Little Superman, Little Witch, Little Vampire. Put on the costumes of Haley Party. Every child can become a little hero in your heart. Want to recreate your character perfectly? Of course, it depends on the details. Masks, hats, capes, props, one-stop service. Meticulous process design, comfortable wearing experience. Make your outfit cool and comfortable, and easily hold the audience. Rich adult series, diverse styles. Whether it's a mysterious and sexy witch or the funny and quirky Mr. Skull. Selected high-quality fabrics, soft and comfortable to the touch, skin-friendly and breathable. Exquisite printing, exquisite craftsmanship, tight stitching, support exclusive customization, from design to sampling to mass production. Every step is just to bring you an experience beyond expectations. Haley Party has created a complete Halloween look for you. And don't forget your free boy. Haley Party specially launched a cute pet series. Bat, pumpkin coat, little devil costume. Every shape can become the most eye-catching existence in the circle of friends. Want to grab the festive market? Don't hesitate. Contact us for the latest product brochures and wholesale quotes. Haley Party, get your order one step faster.